Have you ever paused to ponder the immense role that communication plays in our lives? It's an invisible glue that binds us, a bridge that connects our thoughts and emotions with those of others. But what is communication really, and why does it hold such a pivotal role in our lives? Communication, in its essence, is the exchange of ideas, thoughts, and feelings. It's a complex dance of signals that we send and receive, a constant exchange that shapes our relationships, our understanding of the world, and even our own identities. Communication can manifest in two main ways: verbal and non-verbal. When we think of communication, we often picture the verbal kind, words spoken or written, conversations, debates, speeches. Verbal communication is direct, clear, and can be incredibly powerful. It's how we express our thoughts and ideas, share information, and build relationships. But there's another side to communication, one that often goes unnoticed, but is just as important: non-verbal communication. This includes our body language, our facial expressions, the way we dress, even the silence between our words. Non-verbal communication can convey emotions and attitudes, reinforce or contradict verbal messages, and provide context to our words. It's a silent language that speaks volumes. Yet despite their differences, both verbal and non-verbal communication are integral to our interactions. They complement each other, creating a rich tapestry of signals that we send and receive. Now let's take a moment to recap what we've explored so far. Communication is the exchange of thoughts, ideas, and feelings. It can be verbal, using words and conversations, or non-verbal, using gestures, body language, and visual cues. Both forms of communication are equally important, and they often work together to help us understand and relate to each other. One key aspect of communication that we haven't delved into yet is the art of listening. In the equation of effective communication, listening holds a 50% weight. Yes, you heard it right, 50%. The visuals, or what we see, accounts for 40%. And the words or the message we want to communicate hold a mere 10% weightage. So if one wishes to master the art of communication, one must first learn to listen, to truly understand the deeper issues and underlying reasons before responding. It's not just about believing what you hear or see. It's about discerning the truth from the noise. In conclusion, communication is not just about speaking or sending messages. It's about listening, understanding, interpreting, and then responding. It's a complex process that requires attention, empathy, and understanding. It's what makes us human, and it's what connects us to each other. So, the next time you communicate, remember, it's not just about the words you say, but also about how you say them and how you listen.